Beautiful. So you talk a lot about the multi-dimensional structure of your DNA. What
Yeah.
does that mean?
Yeah. So most people think of the DNA and kind of understand the DNA just with the scientific model, and even just looking at the physical DNA. I mean, it's freaking incredible, right? Like it's such an intricate and fascinating structure that is responsible for so much, and that also links us to, you know, animals and plants and the planet in this really fascinating way for me. But we think about the double helix, we think about like what we learned in science class, and the DNA is actually, the way that I experience it, the way that I see it, and the way that I work with it, it's so much more than that. In actuality, we have at least 10 additional strands, and they, where do I want to go with this? So there's 12 total, right? You can get really esoteric with this and talk about the 12 dimensions that they connect to, the 12 chakras, all kinds of things. But essentially, these additional DNA strands, they're not physical. So they exist in kind of a different form. They're sometimes called light strand DNA. They're sometimes called etheric DNA or soul DNA. Now, just as the physical DNA contains information about a lot of our physical characteristics, right? It's like those lines of code, those sequences determine certain things, about our physical appearance, maybe illnesses we're prone to, things like this. Your soul DNA has information. So it carries a lot of information that pertains not to just your physical human incarnation, but to many other lifetimes, many other soul experiences, even in other dimensions or on other planets, right? This is getting kind of out there, but I mean, this is really what it is. And so basically, okay, that's the multidimensional structure